Okay, this topic is on cleaning this TSC DA320. It's a direct thermal printer. It does have a print head here uh, at the top. I should probably show. Here's your print head, and you want to clean that, obviously. You also want to clean the drive roller, and that's really as important as the print head itself. The first thing you have to do, however, when you're doing any kind of cleaning is turn off the printer. You might actually want to unplug the printer just to make sure, right? So lights off, and now we can actually get in here and do some cleaning. I'm just going to take my medians, push it to the side. Remember, there is a gap sensor here. For continuous media, sometimes what we do is we just cover it up. So if that's there, don't forget to put it back on. The drive roller itself is removable, and the print head itself is pretty easy. You want to take what I recommend, simple, easy, cheap, is a white coffee filter. They are lint free, and you don't douse them, but make them damp with isopropyl alcohol. This would be drugstore variety, 70%, maybe 80% max. Do not go anything stronger. It could attack the materials in drive rollers, could attack the coatings on the print head. So nothing stronger than 70 or 80% isopropyl. Use white if you can, just because it's easier to see dirt. And you'll go back and forth on the print head itself, a few times. This one's brand new, so it's not going to have a problem. Now, drive roller. See this front plate here? This is removable. You might have to pry from underneath, but it'll just pull out. And now you have a little green tab here. Pull it out. It kind of clicks into place. Pull it out and rotate it up. Same thing on this side. Use a fingernail or a screwdriver or something to kind of get it out of its little detent. There we go. Now, once you have both of them up like this, rotated, you can just pull the whole thing out. And now you can actually use your rag here to kind of scrub that clean on all surfaces. When you're ready to go back in, this one fell off, but we'll just match it, remember, near the other side here, right? So there's a square end. Put it in, snap these back in place, and you're done, right? Really simple. If you are using gapped material rather than continuous material like I am, you want to probably go over the gap sensor as well. Make sure that that's clean. Replace this top piece again. Oops. Put it back in. And hopefully should pop down into the same position. There we go. Pull your material out, print head down again, and you're ready to go.